Light is fundamental to photography, but how often do you really think about light? How often have you stopped and looked around at the light around you at any given time? The simple act of stopping and having a look around you and looking at the quality of light and how it falls on surfaces is one of the best things that you can do to start to improve your photography. Simply understanding there are different types of light at different times in the day can transform your photography, as you can choose the best times to photograph to make use of the best light. Since this is a beginner's video for photography, I'm going to introduce to you one concept for you to understand and practice. This concept is called the golden hour, and it refers to the first hours in the morning and the last hours in the afternoon, and it's a great time of day to photograph because you often get a beautiful soft orangey red light that always looks good in images. Let's have a look at a few photos to show you what I mean. In this image I took in India, I got up at dawn and went for a walk along the Ganges River as the sun was rising. The morning sky was hazy with a little smoke, so when it combined with the soft orange light from the rising sun, it made a really special lighting situation. In this image from China, I was photographing a river at sunset, so I decided to shoot into the setting sun and try to emphasize the golden sunset by combining a reflection in the water. Of course, you don't always have to shoot into the sun. If you keep your back to the sun, then the golden light will fall across the scene you want to photograph in front of you. Like in this image from Tibet, when I was photographing one of the temples in Lhasa. I took this image at dawn and the sun was on my back as it rose, and the beautiful morning light just fell over the temple. So the one principle I want you to take away from this is to go out and shoot during the golden hour. So you can pick a location that gets good light in the mornings and late afternoon and start taking pictures at those times. And keep observing how the light changes as you shoot and think about how it changes your images. And after you do this, you'll have really taken your first steps to appreciating light and how it can completely change your photography.